if I have the background which is right here, so I can press you can say Alt K. I can put that thing in here. Now the background is something special, right? You can see here with LUT. That means what? That image plane rendered with LUT. So this is the image plane inside a Maya, and it is rendered with LUT, LUT, lookup table. So why? Because of this one and this one should be same, right? So that we don't have any kind of problem with edges. Now if I see the edge we have here, and if I have a different kind of color, so the edges problem may come. That is why I have rendered everything keeping that this image plane. Otherwise I can render it like so. All right, so you can see here we have some edges here, and this edges is coming from this. So whenever I'm going to press M key and make this is A and this one is going to be B, and now see there is no edge problem. You can see because of this edge has come from this very background, so there is no problem we'll be having in terms of edges kind of thing, right? So you can see we have these particles like ashes kind of thing, but it is inside of this because of we can see we have got this one. So now we need to have, so we have press M key and click here, and we need to take this alpha also. So this is alpha. You can see we have the alpha channel here. So if I have the alpha channel in here, I can see everything is going to be proper. I can see every holdout is working perfectly. Alpha is also the master alpha, which we have rebuilt it. But now why this is looking something like this? Because of we are in this RGB, right? But if I go for this alpha, we can see everything is intact. So this looks funny, but we are not using this at all. Instead of we're using this alpha. So there's no problem with this if you have something like that. So now we can put it something like here.